Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Verifone payment systems. Verifone Payment Systems offers point-of-sale (POS) solutions for businesses of all sizes. Its main purpose is to securely process credit and debit card payments, simplifying transactions and streamlining business operations. Key features often include EMV chip card readers, contactless payment acceptance, and reporting and analytics dashboards. Their website provides details on their various hardware and software packages. They highlight ease of use, pricing transparency, though specific pricing varies widely depending on the chosen package, and robust security features. They boast a wide range of solutions, catering to different business needs and scales, from small cafes to larger retail chains. Availability is generally widespread, though specific models and features might vary by region. You can check their website to find a reseller or learn more about their offerings. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Verifone payment systems. I recently implemented the Verifone P400 terminal in my small bookstore. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The setup was straightforward, following the clear instructions provided in the manual. The interface is intuitive, allowing me to easily process transactions. I particularly appreciated the large, clear screen and the quick processing times. Even during peak hours, transactions went through smoothly. The reporting features are excellent, giving me a clear overview of daily sales and payment types. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve with some of the advanced reporting features, but their online tutorials were very helpful. I had a quick question about setting up a specific report, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing clear and concise instructions. I was really impressed by how reliable the system has been, and the standout feature for me was definitely the contactless payment capabilities. It significantly sped up my checkout process and improved customer satisfaction. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Verifone P400. It's a robust, reliable, and user-friendly POS system that has significantly improved the efficiency of my bookstore. That's my overview of Verifone payment systems. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.